Here we go. This is what I like to see. I like to see what she thought of her diamond painting, and especially what kind of cross-stitch pattern she's got in her stash. Because, you know, I like to see what kind of taste she has. And I always like hearing about her mom. So, yeah. Enough of that alien stuff. Save that for a later date. Hope you enjoy it.
Well, hello everybody. So it is finished. This is the Ever Moment piano that Michelle had given me, and I finished it yesterday, the 25th, and it is gorgeous. Let me step back just a little. Okay, absolutely beautiful. And for the most part, the drills fit together very well. I mean, you've got little tiny bits here and there, but again, you're not supposed to stand that close to it. But yeah, I think it turned out really, really well. And it is, let's see, I showed you this last time. These last 4 digits on the Ever Moment, that's the dimensions. So it's 40 by 55 centimeters. And it had 42 colors. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'll show you my pile of wrappers, because I eat lots of strawberry candy. Thank you, Vicki. Here's my leftovers. Plenty of, my lights glaring on it. Oh, whatever. Plenty of leftovers, including some still in the bag. But yeah, didn't come close to running out of anything. And here's my garbage. So not a whole lot of garbage. So again, very nice. And most of the garbage was, you can see, pock marks and warped diamonds. But yeah, I think it turned out really well. Love it. It's beautiful. And again, I don't do any kind of star review or anything like that. It's, would I buy this for somebody else? Absolutely. It's fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. So there you go. And hey, let's be all obnoxious. I'll shine the light on it. Hang on one second. I just, oh, look at this sparkle. Yeah. Beautiful. Love it. All right. Now, on to the next one. This is for the sewing project. It's just temporarily sitting there. I think this time I'm going to pick, rather than a random draw, I'm going to pick what I want to do out of the next ones. And it's going to be small because I got that order coming that I placed last night. And we all know that Diamond Art Club, they show up quick. So I'm going to pick out a new one. I'll probably let you know later because I'm editing and going to put these in my permanent storage while I'm editing a video. Yeah, it's after midnight. And I wanted to get the alien video out for you guys, so you would have seen that by now if you're, you know, watching all of my videos. But I will say, I used the rolling pin and like nothing popped because they all fit together perfectly the first time. So, love it. Excuse me. Oh, and I might as well show you an update. So this is how far I am on my cross stitch right now. So coming along. This is the halfway point, so you know I'm not quite halfway to halfway, so I'm probably a fifth of the way done, maybe. And do I have my bag in here of the picture in case you haven't seen what I'm working on? This is the cross stitch, so you can see just this little bit here, and I have the back stitching all yet to do. I normally back stitch as I go, so I'm kind of done with this section. I'll probably back stitch this next before I move on, but I can't wait to get to these pretty colors. That's gonna be fun. Oh, and then oh, I know what I wanted to do. I was talking to Danette yesterday for, I don't know, we talked for quite a while last night. And she was saying she wanted to see my cross stitch patterns that I have. So hey, let's do that. Let me drag this out. Because I told her I had my mom's old memorabilia patterns. And she's like, well, I want to see what you got. Okay. So I have this. Where the heck is that? Okay, now I'm kind of worried because I don't remember unpacking that. I don't know where it is, but I did this for the kids. It's a Beatrix Potter sampler. I did that for Cole when he was a little baby. And yeah, now I'm really worried. I don't know where any of these are. My mom did this one. Very cute. My mom also did this one. And I did some bookmarks and stuff and little things here and there with this book. Can you tell I like Beatrix Potter? My mom also did this one. And this one. Alright, this is the one that's in my kitchen. And this is what's left over from it. This I have no idea what it even is. Just a chart. I don't know. There's no picture. Okay, don't show the chart. Alright. These I bought and never did. There's 4 of them. So that's winter, fall, summer, and spring. So I bought those many years ago, and I never did them. I also bought this and never did it. My mom did these, made these ornaments, a lot of them. I have them. She also did a lot of these. Actually, I don't remember seeing any. Oh, I know I have the purse, but I don't remember seeing any of the rest. And I did these. This is just some free chart that came with something. Another free booklet. And let's see. Woodland Santa. I don't remember her doing these, but they're open, so she must have, but I never saw them finished. And then I've done this one. I think that's for Brett. I did it for Brett. And then this one I did for Reese. And then I bought this book. I don't think I did anything out of it. This was like when I first started. It's just a whole bunch of little itty bitty things. This was when I was going through my black phase. My mom actually let me paint my, or not paint, I had black wallpaper in my bedroom. But I made a paperweight with one of these. And I don't even know why, but yeah, I bought this. I think this was the first thing I ever worked on. I don't think I finished it. I think I threw it away. I don't know why geese appealed to me. All right. My mom did that one. Now, most of these cross stitches that my mom did, I don't know what happened to them. When she passed away, her sisters got most of her stuff, I think. This is the one that I did that's in the living room. I did it in black, though. Okay. Here's another freebie. Okay, I think we're getting into the good stuff here. I'm going to make you wait till the very end to see the really good stuff, though. Let's see. Okay, so then what's this? Never did it. It's all still in there, I think, except for the... I don't know what happened to the thread, the floss. I have no idea. Oh. So this was, I think, that carousel. I started it. Didn't get too far. It's a very tiny count, though. Man, those stitches are small. Probably why I gave up so quick. Here's another sampler. Oh, everything's in here to do this. Okay. What else we got here? A tree skirt. Not really my taste, but yeah. All right, and then my mom was getting into this Hardinger, and I think I'm going to try it. Everything's here to do it. I think it's one color. I can pick whatever the hell I want and do it. I don't know, are those supposed to be bookmarks? Yep. So I might try my hand at Hardinger. My mom was doing that for a few years. So I'll probably try this. Never tried it. Alright, let's see here. I think Quinn gave that to me for Christmas several years ago. This was my mom's. It's kind of cute. Alright, I think that's it for... Yeah, everything else is memorabilia. See, I made you wait, tortured you. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. That's beautiful. I'll have to do that one. That's very pretty. I don't even remember my mom doing that one. I don't think that's memorabilia, though. Is it? No. I don't think so. Oh, no. It's lavender and lace. So excuse me. Okay. But yeah, I don't remember her doing that, but it's very pretty. I like that. I wonder who got it. Okay. This one is also probably another lavender and lace. I know she did this one. This is very pretty too. I like that too. Okay. Now the Mirabilia. Okay. So here we go. That's pretty. Not necessarily my taste though, but it's pretty. This is the one I did. That's the one hanging over the fireplace or over the TV in the living room. Did I give the names of these? Oh yeah. This one's called Fairy Idol. This one is Autumn Queen. Autumn Queen. Fairy Idol. This is Garden Verses. I don't remember her doing that one either. That's pretty. I like the colors. Yeah, a lot of these I don't remember. Damask Roses. I don't remember her doing that one either. Maybe she had a bunch she didn't do. I don't know. Alright, and then this is the other one I did. This is Bluebeard's Princess. This one is the Rose of Sharon. This one she switched out the colors to pink, and that's in the living room. And I like it better in yellow, but my mom didn't like yellow. So, yep. This one's cool too. My Lady's Garden. Love the colors in that. Very pretty. And this is the Garden Muses. Not my favorite. But if I were to do another one, I think I would probably do this one first. It's just really pretty. So that is my stash of patterns. And then I have some other kits too. Because I thought I separated them out. Maybe not. Maybe this is all I have. Oh, the other ones are WIPs. Stuff that's in the middle. We'll look at that some other time. But yeah, so this is my stash. Okay, there you go. Alright, Danette, showed you what I got. Okay, I'm gonna get down my piano and edit a video. And I need to start looking for the rest of the letters to spell out hoarder. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm just dithering. Okay, bye-bye.
That was wonderful. I wonder if she's going to try the Hardinger. Have any of you ever done Hardinger? What do you think? What should she try it? It's going to require some thought, I'm sure. Something completely different, but she'll probably figure it out. You know, and make a whole bunch of mistakes along the way. But hey, that's part of the fun. Yeah. Alright. If you want to see more, be sure and subscribe and hit that bell. See you later.